Good afternoon, mathematicians! This is Miss Erica B. Filomeno, and our topic for today is finding the center and the radius of a circle and graphing circle on the coordinate plane. So to determine the circle, we have to use the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where point h and k is the center of the circle and the radius is r. So let's have an example number 1. Find the center and the radius of the circle x squared plus y squared equals 100. So the solution is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So from the given, x squared plus y squared equals 100. So the square root of 100 is r squared. 100 is equal to 10. So the answer is x squared plus y squared equals 10 squared. So from the given or from the equation, there is no point H and point K. So obviously, the center is point 0, 0. And the radius is 10. I guess you understood example number 1. So let's proceed to example number 2. Find the center and the radius of the circle with equation x minus 5 squared plus y plus 9 squared equals 25. So from the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the given is x minus 5 squared plus y plus 9 squared is equal to 25. So, x minus 5 squared plus y plus 9 squared, the square root of 25 is 5 squared. So, we can now have the center. The center is h is 5 and the k is 9. 9 times the negative, since this is the positive, so let's multiply it from the standard form negative, so that is negative 9. And the radius is 5. So I assume that you understood the example number 2. So let's proceed to example number 3. What is the center and radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 10y equals 20? So from the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So let's rearrange the equation that is given. X squared minus 12x plus y squared minus 10y equals 20. So to come up with a form like this, we need to use the completing the square. So x squared minus 12x plus the half of 12 is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36 plus y squared minus 10y plus, again, half of 10 is 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. And that is equals to 20. So what we add in the left side is we need to add again in the right side. So 20 plus 36 plus 25. So to simplify this term, x squared minus 18x plus 36 is x minus 6 squared plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is y minus 5 squared. And the totality of this is 20 plus 36 plus 25 is equal to 81. So let's simplify 81, or let's find the radius. X minus 6 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to the square root of 81 is 9 squared. So from that form, we can now have the center and the radius. So the center is the h and k 6 and 0.5, and the radius is equal to 9. Since we already know how to find the center of the circle and the radius, so we can now graph the circle on the coordinate. And in order to graph in a circle, all we need is the rightmost, leftmost, topmost, and bottommost points on the circle on the coordinate plane. So let's start example number 1. Graph the circle with an equation x squared plus y squared equals 36 on the coordinate plane. So the solution is step 1. We have to find the center. So locate the center on the coordinate plane. So from the given x squared plus y squared equals 36, obviously our center there is at point 0, 0. So step 2, is we have to find the radius of the circle. So we have to find the r, or the radius. So from the given x squared plus y squared equals 36, so that is x squared plus y squared equals 6 squared. So our radius is 6. So the use of the radius is, we need to count 6 units from the center in every direction, left, right, bottom, and up and down. So the step 3, we need to connect the dots. To graph the circle using any smooth, round curve. So in graphing the circle, two, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So the center is 0.00. So that is our center. And count 6 units from the center to the left side, to the right side, to the left side, up and down. So first to the right side, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That is the radius. So we can now form the circle. Or connect the dots. So that is the graph of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 36. So I guess you understood example number 1 on how to graph the circle on the coordinate plane. So let's proceed example number 2. Graph the circle with an equation x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 4 on the coordinate plane. So the solution, just like the example number 1, step 1, we need to find the center or locate the center. So from the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the given is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals to 4. So that is x squared, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared, and the square root of 4 is 2, so that is 2 squared. So now we can find the center. The center is 0.2, and from the standard form, that is positive, so we have negative 5. So the center is 0.2 and negative 5. So since we already have the center and radius, so let's proceed to step 3 on connecting the dots. Connecting the dots to graph the circle using any smooth round curve. So to graph the circle, we have to draw a coordinate plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So, the center is 2 and negative 5. So, to plot that, the point is here. That is center 2 and negative 5. And to connect the dots, we need to move to the left, right, up and down with 2 units. So up 1, 2. So here another 1, 2. Here 1 and 2. Then downward 1 and 2. So we can now connect the dots. And that is how to graph the circle. So that is how to find the center and radius of the circle and graph the circle on the coordinate plane. So I hope and expect that you understood our lesson for today. Again, this is Miss Erica B. Filomeno. Goodbye, mathematicians!